As I cruise through the vast open landscapes of the Southern Riverina, I'm reminded how beautiful and resilient this land is, just like us as we welcome another year. Happy New Year, everyone! A time for fresh starts, reflection and gratitude. For me, 2025 feels like an opportunity to build on the lessons of last year and embrace what's ahead. But let's talk about riding in the hotter weather. If you're like me, this is the time of year when the heat can make rides way more challenging than they need to be. So here are a few tips to stay safe while still enjoying every moment on the road. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. First and foremost, hydration. Bring plenty of water and take regular breaks. Bring way more water than you think you need. Dehydration can creep up quickly, especially under the Aussie sun. Tip 2. Wear the right gear. Lightweight, breathable gear is a must, but don't compromise on protection. Ventilated jackets, gloves and helmets will help keep you cool and safe. Tip 3. Plan your ride. Ride early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the peak heat. Check weather forecasts and be mindful of fatigue. It can hit heaps harder in hot weather. Tip 4. Sunscreen and shade. Don't forget sunscreen. For your exposed skin, especially, but also aim for shaded stops when taking a break. Sunburn and heat exhaustion are no joke, and they make it very dangerous to operate a vehicle. Riding is about freedom, connection and joy. By taking these steps, you can help keep those vibes alive even when the temperature rises. As we roll into this new year, let's keep safety, gratitude and mindfulness at the forefront, on and off the road. Thanks for riding along with me. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and keep the rubber side down.